I have promised that my solutions will be always simplest, keeping that promise in the solution of this question also. It is given to us that let E, F and G be three events having probabilities this and this, and let this is also given to you, and HC denote the complement of event H. You have to find the correct choice. The best way of doing this question is with the help of set theory, that is with the help of Venn diagram. Suppose this set denote the event E, this set denote the event F, and this set denote the event G. That is E is here, F is here, and G is here. Suppose the probability of this portion, we denote it by A. Suppose probability of this portion, we denote it by B. Suppose probability of this portion, we denote it by C. Suppose probability of this portion, we denote it by D. Probability of this portion, we denote it by E. Probability of this portion, we denote it by F, and the probability of this portion is already given as 1 by 10 from here. And because this whole denotes the event E, hence I can say A plus D plus E plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 8. From here I have got this conclusion. That is A plus D plus E is equal to 1 by 40. Similarly, B plus D plus F plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 6. From here I have got this conclusion. That is, I can say B plus D plus F is equal to 1 by 15. This relation and these two relations we have obtained so far. Similarly, C plus E plus F plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 4. This information I have got from here. That is, I can say C plus E plus F is equal to 3 by 20. And probability of this means the portion in E and F and outside G, that is D. We have to find that D less than equal to 1 by 40 is true or false. From here and here, we can easily say that D is less than equal to 1 by 40 also, and D is less than equal to 1 by 15 also. From these two I can say D is less than equal to 1 by 40. Hence A is correct. Similarly, probability of EC intersection F intersection G means inside F and G and outside E, that is F. From here I can say F is less than equal to 1 by 15, and from here I can say F is less than equal to 3 by 20, and because 1 by 15 is smaller, from these two I get the conclusion that F is less than equal to 1 by 15. hence B is also correct. And probability of E union F union G is sure to be less than equal to PE plus PF plus PG, which is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4, which is clearly 13 by 24. Hence C is also correct. And for checking the choice D, it is clear that PEC intersection FC intersection GC is equal to probability of E union F union G whole complement. You must be knowing De Morgan's law. This is equal to 1 minus probability of E union F union G, and if we put the maximum value of this here, you will get the minimum value of this. That is, I can say P EC intersection FC intersection GC is clearly greater than equal to 1 minus 13 by 24, that is 11 by 24, and it is clearly greater than 10 by 24, that is 5 by 12. Hence I can say this is greater than 5 by 12, but the choice written is less than equal to 5 by 12. Hence I can say D is wrong choice.